Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So in this demo, we will show how AI can help us to see and understand things better. We are using Gemini AI to understand what is on the screen. So let's quickly jump into the demo. Hey, can you tell me more about what is on my screen?
You're viewing a grayscale version of Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night on Google Arts and Culture. This presentation emphasizes the painting's details and textures, offering a unique aesthetic experience. You can explore more details or switch to the color version for the original view.
Okay, can you please tell me now what am I looking at?
Let me analyze your current screen. You're looking at a grayscale reproduction of a painting on Google Arts and Culture. It shows a historical scene, likely rural, with figures transporting goods via horse-drawn carts.
So for the Vision API, I have used following repository which is available on VideoSDK community. Inside that repository name is VideoSDK Gemini Vision Agent. In this repository, we have used VideoSDK for the audio and video calls. On top of VideoSDK, we have used OpenAI Real-Time API for the speech-to-speech model and Gemini to vision language models. I have already cloned this repository and I have already set up all the things and environment variables in my local. So I will quickly go through each directory step by step. I have installed all the dependency on the server side. This is our client directory which is built on ReactJS, which is nothing but our front end. And this is our main.py file which is built on a FastAPI server. In this we have one API called join player which is nothing but will join a bot into the meeting. So here is our AI agent class. AI agent class will help us to join into the video meeting and process participants audio, video or screen share, and then we are going to initialize two LLM clients which is OpenAI and Gemini APIs. So let's initialize our AI agent first by providing meeting configurations, which is a meeting ID, authentication token, and custom microphone audio tracks. And we have also added meeting handler events. This will help us to take a action based on the events. Here we are listening for events on meeting join, on meeting left, on participant join, and on participant left. Here we have also initialized our two LLM models. First one is the vision model, which we are using of Google Gemini, and model name is Gemini 1.5 Flash. And there is one another intelligence, LLM intelligence, which is nothing but our OpenAI intelligence class, which will help us to speak about in real-time end-to-end speech model. So here we have some of the helper method: handle function call, add audio listener, add screen share listener, and get screen. Handle function call will help us to analyze the screen, or we can say image. Add audio listener will help us to process audio stream and send it to OpenAI. So add screen share listener will help us to listen available screen share stream, so that continuously we are listening newly available frame, and we are changing also our variable latest frame equal to frame. So we'll make sure that our latest available frame we have. Also get screen do the similar thing. On meeting join, we are connecting with OpenAI intelligence client, so that bot can listen and bot can produce a new streams into the meetings. On participant join, we are telling OpenAI to the new system prompt that you are an AI meeting assistant, follow these rules. On stream enable, we are listening two kinds of streams. First one is the audio to listen to participant streams, and second one is the screen share, which is participant screens. So here we are calling that two methods: add audio listener to send our audio to the OpenAI real time, and add screen share listener to analyze the image using Google Gemini API. On stream disable, we are cancelling that previously created task, which is add audio listener and add screen share listener and get screen task. I will invite AI agent. I will share my screen and I will ask some of questions. Let me unmute myself first. Hey, can you tell me more about what is on my screen?
Sure, let me analyze the screen for you. You're viewing a grayscale version of Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night on Google Arts and Culture. This presentation emphasizes the painting's details and textures, offering a unique aesthetic experience. You can explore more details or switch to the color version for the original view.